Smashing.
Hello everybody, it's your old pal Slow Smashing with another fantastic tale of smashing and bashing.
In slow motion.
What was that? You guys hear that? Sounds like a storm's coming.
Can't be a storm coming. Not this time of year.
Whoa, where did this come from? What the? Looks like there was a storm coming. The Hailstorm by HBX. All hail the Hailstorm. This little truggy is 18th scale, made by Boxing, or HBX for short.
Smashing. Smashing.
Now, I've always wanted to get my hands on one of these little things. I've heard such good things about them. I've seen cool videos of them running online. Now I get to play with one. These little RCs are really starting to grow on me. I really dig them. I'm really excited to get this thing open. I mean, look how small this thing is. I haven't even opened it yet, and I'm assuming it's probably a little bit smaller than the size of the box, and we're about to find out here. But you can drive them anywhere.
I mean, you don't need a lot of space to drive this thing, so if you're confined and you got like a small backyard or like a little court or street or something, this thing is gonna be awesome. And not to say that you can't take it out to a big bash spot with your bigger like RCs. You could totally do that too. At least I am.
You can drive it in the backyard for a little smash and bash, or even a front yard. Like this.
I mean, why not even just drive it inside? You totally could.
You all get the idea, right? So let's get to the good stuff. Let's open this little HBX Hailstorm up and see what's inside.
Alright, so here it is in its entirety. Look how tiny this truck is. It is really small and cool. It has this little warning sticker to make sure and take off that protective plastic covering, so make sure and do that. We have some warning tags here about the heat sink on the motor. Make sure and charge your batteries. And then this one is kind of one I'd pay attention to, the power switch. This doesn't slide. You have to press it down for a couple seconds to turn it on, and then press it down again for a couple seconds to turn it off. So we got the controller here. It's a basic controller, gets the job done. Has a slow and normal for speeds. Has steering reverse, forward, backwards, basic. We got the instruction manual here. It goes over everything in detail. We have the little wing here. It appears to be put on by little screws in there. Hopefully you can see that. That should be pretty simple. We got spare batteries. So we got two batteries here. Ooh, this one is 650 mAh, and the other one should be too as well. So that's cool. And we got stickers, and then we got the USB charger. And here we are under the hood. Wow, look at the mechanics of this tiny RC here. It's like you got the little shocks here, you got the brushed motor with the little heat sink. That's cool, keep things cooled down. Got the splash proof electronics there and that press down 2-second on off switch. And there's the other battery. Looks like we have like what are these, JST connectors, so that's cool. You could use adapters for your hobby grade chargers if you don't want to use the USB. I've always used the USB chargers and they worked cool for me, but you got options, so that's a good thing right there. Tiny little servo. And here we are, the front view of this thing right here. Got these little like body cushions right here to prop the body up and I guess keep it from vibrating maybe. Keeps it nice and fitted when you put it on there. Plastic feels good. It feels very malleable, so that's a big thing right there when you're going in crashes and bumps. That's cool. And the suspension's pretty good. It feels like firm, so it probably could handle some pretty good little jumps there for the size it is. But we'll find out. So it is hobby grade. It's 4-wheel drive. Has ball bearings. Little 380 motor. Alright, quick check here. So those little plastic like cup yokes there, that was one thing I was kind of concerned about when I overlooked this thing. But after driving it for a little bit, these things have been holding out like perfectly fine. And this thing has like a ton of power for its size. And it's like little burst of accelerations. I'm like totally digging it right now. Alright, here we are all buttoned up here. I got the wing on. We're gonna get it charged up here. We're gonna go take it out for a little smash and bash and see how it works. Oh yeah, one thing with the remote, it does take 2 AA batteries and you'll have to provide that. But other than that,
smashing,
hey, I almost forgot. We can't not do a size comparison with this little guy to give you an idea of the size.
smashing,
So here it is next to WL Toys 12042. I think I got those numbers right. But you all know the buggy and love it. I love it. So yeah, that buggy's a small buggy, and look at this thing.
smashing,
And here it is next to the Arma Big Rock. You can tell it's a lot bigger. But that doesn't mean that this little guy isn't a ton of fun.
alright, enough talk. Let's get out there and have some fun with this. They call it the HBX HAILSTORM. It's splash proof, so a better way to start than go over some freshly fallen hail ice and put it to the test. Well, that was a tremendous load of slow-mo smashing fun. HBX HAILSTORM. Small, but big on fun. I mean, it's great. It's great to add for the existing hobbyists. Just add it to your collection. Have a little truck you could just drive around, like I said, in a house, in a backyard, tight corners, small spaces, or that big old space. It's great for kids. I mean, you could turn down the throttle, just like that, and then go back in high speed. And have fun out in the street. Have that bonding time. I'm happy with it. Every RC has its place, and this one should have one in your collection. At least it has one in my collection, and I enjoy it. So until the next smashing tale, y'all take care. And thank you so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button, smash that like, comment, ask me whatever you'd like to know on this or anything else. I don't care. Until next time, slow smashing.